Here's a good theory on quantum entanglement and how it works. When we first discovered nuclear energy, we wanted to tap into that energy source. There was a lot of kinetic energy inside the heat of what keeps nucleuses together and creates molecular structures, and the gravity and the spin and the rotational momentum of nucleuses, right? Well, in this picture here, you can kind of see how quantum entanglement can possibly work. Is that beam of light in between there is actually massive momentum, energy, translated between two particles. Basically, it lets go and releases a lot of its sub-quantum energy and will launch matter in the form of light or faster than light. Very hard to see with your eye because your eye is tuned to be able to catch light and transmute light and transmute partial light, which is colors, in order to discern the difference between the different kinds of momentum. And that's what your eyeball's doing, is decrypting different speeds and different velocities and different momentums of light. Light is made from matter, as observed from fire. It's caught by plants, observed by plants. But when we look at this, when we create quantum entanglement as humans, we just keep bombarding, and we try to get the particles to like land right next to it, and then start like a moon-Earth or sun-Earth relationship where they constantly rotate around each other over and over and over and over, essentially kind of marrying each other in the subquantum field, which is very hard to see with the human eye. You actually have to make different kinds of eyes and different kinds of sensors and diodes and whatnot to be able to even perceive in this realm, which isn't even open sourced right now, as far as I've seen. So the theory is that there are strands of matter being chucked from one quantum bit, parts of itself, to the other quantum bit. And that is, it goes faster than light. That is, it's so fast that it's it's so low latency that it's unmistakable from no latency to our perception right now as humans. So there's a good example on how quantum entanglement works in the laws of physics right now. Is it's actually not breaking the laws of quantum physics, which some people were thinking that it is. Here's a kicker at the end too. I heard recently that angels and humans, they practice there is no created energy, no destroyed energy. It's a law, right? Well, apparently demons practice energy can be created and destroyed. That's kind of contradictory to what we learn in school. Completely the opposite of the theory. And it works in digital and virtual dimensions. Digital and virtual dimensions in video games and stuff like that, demons would be virtual, non-realistic. They'd be beings, of hatred or whatever. And they're kind of banished from the realm of logic, where logic wins because you can't create or destroy matter. You can only alternate matter into one state or the next. Yep, thanks for watching. Peace.